Hi, first grade. You don't need anything in front of you, just your listening ears. So today's lesson, we are actually starting a new unit, which is our place value unit. And so I really today just have a big question I want you to solve for me. And I think we're gonna be able to do that by using some Unifix cubes that I brought from school. And so I just want to first start counting out and see how many yellow cubes we have. Okay, so I'm gonna move them over, ready? So you're gonna count with me. So I have 1, 2, I'm gonna stack them. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, oh, magic number. What do I have? 10. So I have 10 cubes. Okay, and now that I made them, I stacked them all nicely, we have how many 10s? We have this nice 1, right? So we only have 1 10, okay? Now, if I had, here's my question, okay? Now, here I have 2 more, what are these? Let's see if they measure up. If they measure up exactly with the yellow, I know that this one is also, how many cubes? 10. And if I know that these 2 are the same, then I have another 10. So now, in front of us, we have how many 10s? We have 1, 2, 3 10s. So what would be easier to count? Would it be easier to count by 10s? 10, 20, 30. Or should we start at the bottom and, well, actually, let's start at the top and go from, let's just count all of them. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Got the same answer for both, right? So we counted, put it on here. We counted 30 cubes, or 30, otherwise known as 31s. And then that was one way, we counted every single one, but then the other way was just going 10, 20, 30. We counted by 10, so 3 10s gave us 30, the number 30. Which way was faster? Now, which way was faster? Just shout it out. Counting all the ones or counting how many 10s there were? If you said counting the 10s, you're right, because it was so long for me to count every single little tiny cube when we already knew that this one stick had 10 in it. So I know we've been practicing counting by 10s, 10, 20, 30, boom. Try that with me. Try to go even faster than I can. 10, 20, 30. 10, 20, 30. Takes less than 1 second to go all the way down, okay? It took a long time for us to count each individual cube. So now, since we're gonna actually start to deal with larger numbers than what we have in the past, so it's gonna be a lot faster and more efficient, which means easier, for us to start counting by 10s, okay? And let's all start and let's just count all the way. So I have all these other cubes and I'll stand them up. Let's see, I have a couple more. Oops. All right. So here are all my cubes. It's in all the colors. Okay, so let's practice counting, and since they're all 10, we know that because we counted our all of our yellow cubes, and that was 10. We have, count with me, ready? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. So how many 10s do we have? We have 1 10, 2 10, say it with me, 1 10, 2 10, 3 10s, 4 10s, 5 10s, 6 10s, 7 10s, 8 10s, 9 10s, 10 10s. Okay, so I'm only going to use, let's see, I'm going to use our green 10. We already know that's a 10. Okay, so we have 1 10, and I'm only going to use, if you can see this, only a few of my light blue cubes. When you know the answer, shout it out. If you guessed 110, 4 1s, you're right, which is otherwise known as 14. So, and that's actually called the say 10 way. So if we have 110, and how many left over? 4. That is known as the number 14. Okay? Now, if I keep my 4 1s, what if I add in, what if I add in 2 more 10s? So now what do we have? We have how many 10s? We have 3 10s, and how many 1s do we have? Still 4. 3 10s, 4 is going to give us what? Shout it out. 10, 20, 30. So 34. 34. When we put the unit in here, it really allows us to, in our brains, think about these 10 sticks. Okay? Instead of just saying 34, we're actually knowing that that 30 part represents 3 10s. Okay? We're going to do one more. And actually, I want to add 2 more of our light blue cubes. And ooh, this is going to be a little bit harder, but I think you guys can handle it. What about adding how many? How many 10 sticks do we have? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now what if I just put 6? Would we think it was 6 10s or just 6 1s? See, that's where we have to make sure that if we just put 6, what word do we have to put after that? We have to put 6 10s, so that in our brains we know it's 6 10s, which actually is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Okay? So we have 6 10s, which is 60, and then how many 1s do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 1s. So 6 10s, 6 is going to give us the number 66. Okay? So that's a little introduction on place value. We're going to actually spend some time in the next couple of lessons practicing the say 10 way, which you guys have done great with. And so, yeah. Today I just wanted you to watch the video, and we're just had an introduction of it. Okay? See you guys later.